How to share BeReal on Snapchat. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share your BeReal post on the Snapchat app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first open your BeReal app. And now if you want to share today's BeReal, tap on it. If you want to share a older BeReal, tap on your profile in the top right corner, and here select the BeReal from your memories. Then after you tap on it, here you will see Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter and other options. So this video is for Snapchat, so I'm gonna tap on Snapchat. Now this is how the BeReal post will look like. To share it, tap on next and tap on your friends or story where you want to share. So this is how you can share your BeReal on Snapchat. Thanks for watching.